we now understand that trauma is not an event, it is a state. It is a state of overwhelming stress in the brain, body, and nervous system. Once you reach that state of overwhelming stress, there are certain things that start to shift in your nervous system. You actually go into what's called the dorsal vagal branch of the parasympathetic nervous system. This is whenever your nervous system is going to start to prepare you to be eaten by a lion. According to the polyvagal theory understanding of the nervous system developed by Dr. Stephen Porges, the neuroscientist, whenever our brain perceives threat or there's an actual threat, the very first thing that we look to calm ourselves down is other people. And that's why a big part of healing your nervous system is a safe person that can help convey safety through a therapeutic relationship, building hope in you, things like that, validating your experience. But if that doesn't work, then we go into fight or flight response. That would be sympathetic nervous system. But there's a certain point where stress escalates into traumatic stress. Our nervous system feels too trapped, too overwhelmed to fight or flee. That's when we go into the freeze response, also called the trauma response. That's the dorsal vagal branch of the parasympathetic nervous system. And there's all kinds of changes that are designed to prepare you to be eaten by a lion. So depersonalization is not really the presence of something as much as it is the absence of something. It's actually a shutdown of what Dr. Bessel van der Kolk calls the mohawk of self-awareness. And so it's a series of brain structures that kind of resemble a mohawk haircut that kind of go ear to ear. And they're responsible for you feeling connected to your body, yourself, and your environment. Why would your brain do that? Well, if you are about to be eaten by a lion or some sort of apex predator, it would be a lot better if you didn't feel it.